Hi, good morning friends. My name is Rahul. I'm a plant lover. So whenever I see the plant, I love to explore them. I love to know more about them. And I love to discuss about them. I love to share about them. So while walking, I saw this plant. It's a beautiful plant. It's an incredibly gorgeously beautiful plant. Do you want to know the name of this plant? The scientific name of this plant is Caladium bicolor. The bicolor is a species we describe about this plant. So bicolor means two color. So this plant has dominated two color, the green and red. So what do we call this plant in a layman language? In layman language, this plant is called as heart of Jesus. So actually, the Latin people used to call this plant as a corazon de Jesus. That means the heart of Jesus. Now, why they used to call this plant as the heart of Jesus? Because if you look at the shape of the leaf, it looks like a heart, and you know that red color veins, it symbolizes a blood oozing out from it. So the blood oozing out from the heart. Okay, so we have seen the Jesus picture. What you see, that the blood is spilling from his heart, the blood is oozing out from his heart, right? So by looking at this picture, this plant is also called as heart of Jesus, right? So it has other name as well. Some people call this plant as a wild iddo, angel wings, and elephant ear. So why angel wings and why elephant ear? See, we all human have a tendency to see same shape in a different way. So if you see the cloud, you may call this cloud shape as a shape of elephant. Some may see that shape as the shape of lion. Some may see that shape of horse, or the shape of their own god, right? Same way, when the people see this leaf, they describe them in a different way, right? So this leaf shape is like a wings. Some people see this like a wings, okay? And the color, when they see the color, they see this beautiful color, beautiful pattern and beautiful color. So they says that it is wings, and it's a beautiful wings, and beautiful wings. Who is having these beautiful wings? Angel. So it's called angel's wings. Okay. Now why elephant ear? So people, those who call this the leaf as elephant ear, they don't see much of the color. They see them more from the shape perspective. So if you look at the shape again, it's look like a elephant ear. So they call this elephant ear, right? So fine. So some people ask me where they can grow this plant best. It can grow. It can be grown in light, but it grow best in the shade area. Okay. So most of the broadleaf, the plant or broadleaf herbs can grow best in the shade area. Okay. See, do you want to know about why this leaf is broad? Because when the leaf grow in a shade, shade means under a tree, under the shadow of a tree, it gets only diffuse sunlight. Okay. And which diffuse sunlight? Blue and the red, because plants perform their photosynthesis in blue and red. So they get very less amount of blue and red light. So they have to catch those blue and red light. They have to expand their leaf size. Okay. And that is how they become that is how the broadleaf evolved. Alright. So some people ask me, the which leaf came first, the small leaf or broad leaf? The broad leaf came later, small leaf came first. Okay. Now, so why we should grow this plant? So this plant actually add lot of aesthetic value to your home and to your garden. So it grow best in the shade. So it can be, you can grow this plant in your home as well, right? And some people ask me what it symbolize. It symbolize joy and pleasure, right? And some people ask me that is it going to get affected from the disease and pest? No, usually not, because this plant is very powerfully resistant against any pest or disease. So try to grow this plant in your garden or in your home. It's an incredibly beautiful, gorgeous plant, right? Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.